Mr. Parib 2000.
These are the 11 of the 23 candidates who will compete for the title of Mr. Peace Planet 2026. And now let's go on stage. The officers behind the 2025 Mr. Peace Planet Committee. Let's go on the Vice President for NCR and 2025 Mr. and Mrs. Planet Director, Raquel K. Bernadita Mendoza. CRB Past President of the Committee, Chairperson, Josephine Daya. Chairman of the Board and Committee Member, Cherry May Lin. Past National Director and Committee Member, Selena T. Lucero. National Director and Committee Member, Mike Abarrientos. Past National President and Committee Member, Mary Daphne Belisharte. And our National President and Committee Advisor, Teresita Tita El Domingo.
Encouraging everyone to show your support.